Alright. Man, I really... Well, I feel fine, but I am getting sick. Bad timing, bad timing. Alright. Let me see. What do we got over here? Whoa. Wow, boy, can you hear me? Yep. I can hear me, you can hear me. Man, what a pump, right? Who is watching the market right now? What the heck is going on? What the frick is going on, man? SPY is up $16 a share. Well, from yesterday almost. No, like $10, $12 a share. Man, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, Wild Boy, you grabbed the Tesla call? Was that like a close one or 195 call expiring 11/18? Morning, Wild Boy, though. Good morning, Raymond. My YouTube people, who do I got? J Hard, RTB92. What's up, man? Let me ride my gappers real quick so I can move my thing out the way. Pretty bad timing. I definitely feel like I am getting sick. Oh, wow. I actually don't see any gappers on my list. BWB. What the heck? Somebody was calling out XNet. Is there any gappers moving? Like, is there absolutely any gapper this morning? What's up, Hans Peter on YouTube? Wow, there really isn't a gapper. Morning, Chad Johnson. I'm gonna have to go back and look at previous runners and see if there's anything else moving. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm gonna take a look at VWB. That's the only one that I am also seeing. Wow, I thought I was streaming on. Oh no, not yet. AAPPS, 8PPS, sorry, APPS and BWB is what I had. BWV. Alright, so VWV 129 high. Let's look at the daily chart real quick. 129 high is way up here. Kind of a lot of flat tops right there. I don't see a 200 moving average on this one. So this one, let me see, delete all this. Pretty oversold though, so we might get some movements on this one. Last time this one ran, it actually did run from like $3 all the way up to 8. So it is a previous runner. It could run today. We'll take a look at it. Morning, John. You're gonna destroy some SPY puts calls today. Chad Johnson, good morning. Frank, good morning. Fish on. VWB, what's up? Rome C, good morning. Easy Money, what's up, man? Everybody, what's up? And then Erie on TikTok, what's up? So I got BWB high 129. This one has been a runner before. Every time it did get some action, it at least ran a little bit. Well, I mean, not every time, but it does have history of running. So we'll keep an eye on this one. The other one was APPS. Oh, APPS is a pretty expensive stock, but it's up here. 1430, 1435 high. We had a lot of flat tops on this one up here at 1550. So we got some room up to 1550, I think. Look at this, guys. Another easy to borrow. Oh my. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Is this a market telling me here's your attempt at another short? Wow. I'm kind of scared now. I just got the chills now just because of that. Chicago Trader, what's up, man? Owen, Gilbert, CVNA, and apps. I have not looked at CVNA, so thank you, CVNA. CVNA put in a new high this morning of 858, but it's not the recent high. So what is the recent high? Oh, $14. Ugh. You know, we are back to uptrending on this one, so keep an eye on it, but it's got a lot of dollars to make up. What's up, cool kid Rayon? Tesla, man, Tesla. Y-Boy is gonna be printing. CryptoWire, what's up? I was just thinking about you. I was like, I feel like I haven't seen crypto in the last day or two. Sergio, hey, you're here. What am I watching today? So far, BWB, APPS, CVNA. Trader Dad, what's up, man? Long time no see. I remember you, Trader Dad. What you got? What have you been doing? Making so much money you forgot about us? Rome C took Tesla from 172 to 192 in pre-market. Okay. Crypto R said, been a crazy few days and couldn't trade. Hope you've been great. I've been fine. Besides getting short squeezed because I tried shorting and I got short squeezed, but you know everything else is fine. Anybody watching UPST? Upstart. Upstart. Kind of big level on Upstart around $18. What I'm seeing. You see a lot of bounces there, then resistance, and try to bounce off of it again. And then today we're back to this level. I think reclaiming this level on Upstart would be good. Tesla and everything else, I really don't know. I'm guessing obviously news were good, but I don't know if this is enough to pump the market back up, or this is just going to be a lot of profit taking a market open, and then it's going to just completely reverse. If this thing pumps up, Tesla, $200 today, probably no question. And then if it doesn't, I think it tucks back under that 186, so right here. So Tesla, what I'm looking at, if it pulls down to that 186.7 and holds that level, I think that's a long. If we tuck under that level at 186.7, I think that's a short. Based off the news, I think if this spikes down to 186.7 at all, I think that's a long, and I think I'd be aiming for 200s. Or maybe not 200s if we don't get it, but I think a bounce of 186.7-ish is what I'm looking at. Let me see. XNet was another one that was called out. 139 high. Hey, it doesn't look too good. Flat tops here at 132. That could be our support, but it's almost right there. 200 moving average at 1.5. Also pretty close, but we're not quite there. Weibo telling us that he thinks Tesla has put in his low, or their low. MMAT. I keep forgetting to clean my watch list. MAT's actually, you know, it's pulling back, but it's still kind of holding some levels here. This thing needs to get back over 150 for me to really look at it and be like, oh, I like the stock. So I think 150 and we start looking at the stock. Next level on this one is 166. If we get over 166 on this one at all, I will definitely take dips of 166 up to 181. It's a really easy looking trade right there. That's what I'm looking. You see that flat top in 166? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches at 166. After 166, there's nothing except that high at 181. That's like 20 cents right there almost. I think if we break over 166 and start holding 166, I think we get 181. So I will take a look on this one. If you're watching on YouTube, guys, please hit the like button for me, please. Appreciate it. If you guys like my streaming, if you guys get some knowledge, if you guys get some trades, if you guys think I'm ugly, then just go ahead and click that like button on YouTube for me. Appreciate it. So BWB, APPS is what I'm watching, and then I guess CVNA and XNet. Honestly, some of these don't really look that good, but we'll keep an eye on it. I will take an eye on Tesla today. If I see that bounce to that 186.7, I might be looking for a long. We think we can get 195, maybe 200 is what I think. I do see that flat top at 195.03 exactly, 195 exactly. So yeah. So a small pullback on Tesla. I might be looking long on that one. Lee, somebody's calling out Lee. Oh frick. Lee is okay. And Matt is okay as well. So just putting alerts on all of these. Upstart, I mentioned that 1880 exactly where it's at. BWB kind of pulling back. APPS. APPS is easy to borrow, so we'll take a look at this one. Peggy, I have Peggy here, but I don't know why I didn't really look at it. So, you know, this one kind of popped up 2 days ago, sold off. Popped up this morning, sold off. If we hold something and start uptrending, then yeah, I'll look at it. But so far, I see a pop and absolutely sold, and then pop, absolutely sell off. So, good morning, low volume morning. I think everybody's probably looking at the large caps because everything absolutely pumping. So, this is the best economic news of the year. DBGI pushing up after that crazy. Actually, I forgot about that one. That one definitely. DBGI made a pretty nice move yesterday, power hour. So let me look at that one again. I'm definitely getting sick, guys. Awful timing. So DBGI. Delete all these lines on DBGI. I don't need all these. I want a clean start. Alright, so DBGI, the high that I see right now is 10.5. Yesterday's high is 6.15. Close to 6.15. 6.14 I think is what it's looking like. So this one actually doesn't look bad. God, my ear is absolutely stuffed. DBGI, so we're looking for high of day yesterday. If we get to that level, 614, my next target would be this 677 maybe, and then $7 after that. But I think I see 677 is what I'm looking at. Blair, good morning. Hanish, good morning. NRBO low volume but could fire up. NRBO is one that's really oversold, but it's been trying to pop and it can't do it. You know, it's holding lows. It's been 2 days it held at $1, although it had a pretty big sell-off there. So we'll keep an eye on this one too. We keep an eye on all of them. That's what we do. How much time we got to market open? 5 minutes still? FOMO Sapien, can you see my thing now? Barely. Let me see. What else do we got? This was Cold was another one that we were trading. Doesn't look too good. Mac was from yesterday. Mac, holding all day long. This one could get interesting. Mac is holding all day long. This one had a giant gap up, but it didn't sell off. It didn't sell off at all. It held those lows of 11.5, 11.75. Right now it's holding $12, so we'll keep an eye on this one. I think I briefly looked at Kala too. Kala, it's okay, but I just got an alert right at $7 on Kala and see if that one starts popping up. GFI, this was a short play that Osapolar, me, and Miggy took. I don't know if anybody else took it. We shorted it up here. I got squeezed on this one. This is the one I got squeezed on, CryptoWire. The one time a stock goes over the 200 moving average and ends up squeezing is the one time I decided to short a stock. So I shorted it somewhere here. Had to cover it there. But then I did re-short it again. I jumped in back on this one here. And then I covered half there and then half over here somewhere. But I didn't make the money back. I still took a loss on this one. To Mimi, what am I missing on BWB? It reported losses, but it still went up. I don't know, maybe a good loss. It's kind of like trading. You take a good trade and you lose, that's a good loss. Robin, TQQQ Full Energy, Owen, CVNA Flush. Where does CVNA go on my watch list? So CVNA, the levels is, if it keeps holding 836 though, that's gonna look good though. I think DBGI might be the best play right now that I'm looking at for market open. It's kind of flagging right now, right before pre-market high, or after, yeah, after. DBGI is flagging right under yesterday's high of day at power hour, which is $6.14, but it's flagging right under 6. We may get that flag right there under 6 and then get that next leg up through 6.14, maybe $7 right here. Look at this. I actually really don't mind DBGI. I hope this thing doesn't run first minute. I hope this thing kind of stalls out here the first minute of market open and then makes that run for it. But I am actually really liking this thing. Pivot there at 565. As a matter of fact, this is really tempting me to take a pre-market trade. Rising wedges on small time frames, big candle bull trap. How are you liking the CPI reaction? I don't know. I'm going to have to see. I like it for some of these stocks. Like I was looking at Tesla. If it bounces off 186.7, I might be looking for long. But I don't know if this is going to be instant profit taken and everything's going to flush or give it all back right away. You guys on YouTube, make sure you hit the like button for me. Appreciate it. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Zach, what the frick are you doing, bro? Oh, frick. What is Zach doing here, bro? What the frick is doing Zach here? I said that backwards. Ape Trades is late. William Hintz, what's up? Fish on, GRWG holding with small volume. Oh, actually, GRWG, it's giving me, which stock was it? Silver vibes, Low volume, fade several times, and then right back up, right back ups, You remember that one stock Sober that it literally had the perfect daily time frame and it just couldn't pick up volume, but it just would not flush. It would flush and then give it all and then recover it. It'd flush, recover it, flush, recover it, flush, recover it. And then again back up to highs. What is happening with the stock? Somebody has big pockets and somebody's pumping the stock up. The next, I really actually do like this one. I forgot to keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna actually replace it for XNet. I'm going to put an alert on exit in case that one starts popping up. But I'm going to put this one up here. GRWG. Thank you for bringing that one up. On GRWG, we got that. Let me see. What was that daily pivots on this one? So we got high of yesterday, which we could keep holding, which is at 528, 530-ish. It looks pretty good. After that, we got the high of 5.4, which that was also a daily level, so it's kind of holding. I'm gonna go look at DBGI real quick. No, you turd! This is exactly what I want DBGI to do. But it already spiked and hit that yesterday's high, so I'm gonna be a little cautious here now. GRWG does have room to the 200 moving average, which is 570. So if we start flying there on that one too, I think 5.4 is a daily level. Oh, there goes APPS. APPS looking straight up for highs. I don't want to chase this one, but it's going straight for highs. A lot of people, noobs, beginners, would be buying right here for this break. You might get lucky every once in a while, but that's not the high quality trade. You would look for that pullback, but this is literally pulling right back up, literally right before highs. What am I supposed to do there? CVNA also recovered that whole move. I'm going to keep an eye on this one, APPS, because APPS is easy to borrow as well. DBGI kind of flushed it all, gave it back. GRWG also hitting a new high and pulling back. Tesla is actually pulling down to that 186.7. That 186.7 is where I'm looking at Tesla to actually go long. Let's see how it acts here. That 186 to me looks like a pretty nice support on the bigger time frame, so I'm gonna watch it here. Seems to be flushing through this level a little bit, but man, APPS just flew up to new high. Took a tiny bounce on Tesla, 50 bucks there, but APPS is absolutely ripping. Where is this one going to? The next level I see on this one is at 15.50, but I guess $15 is first. So $15 and then 15.50. CVNA is also going. GRWG is also going. What the heck? Wait for us, bro. 540 on GRWG is probably, let me see, 540. That's a daily, right? 537. And 572 is the 200 moving average on this one. This one needs some volume, but give me that pullback to 540 and I will probably add on this one if I get that pullback to 540 on this one, on GRWG. GRWG pulls back to 540 and I might be adding in on this one. We already saw a pretty nice pop with volume, so let's give me that add at 540 and see if we can get the 200 moving average touch at 572. Come on, pull back, 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 pull back. Yeah, I'm cruising. Somebody said check NVTA. Looks like VWB is flushing, so this volume on this one just kills me though. The volume on this one kills me. How can you look so good and not move? You know what? At this point, I almost want to short it at the 200 moving average. If I get a pop right up to 572, I might just short this thing at 200 moving average. Just to see what it... Before I count it. Somebody calling out NVTA. BWB kind of recovering. I shorted a tiny share size on GRWG at the top. Up 130 on this one. I'm sorry guys, I'm going to the short side, but if this gives me that 5-4 though with low volume, I definitely will add on this one. As a matter of fact, I'm actually gonna cover this and then, oh actually, how did I get so bad fill there? If I get this pullback down on this one, down to 540 on GRWG with this super low volume, I will be adding on this one long. No, pull back, you turd. CVNA also looks like wants to flag. Same thing with APPS. Both look like they want to flag. So I'm watching. We got a lot of momentum right now. We got a lot of momentum. CVNA looks like it's flagging. GRWG 540 pivot. I'm looking at it. APPS 1434 retest pre-market. Also a nice pivot there. Somebody's calling out VRU for a dead cat bounce maybe. You know, I'm not looking for APPS 1440. Ape Trade's calling it out. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, APPS. Okay, some of you guys are looking at APPS. I'm looking at GRWG. The volume kills me on this one, but I think this one can set up a nice flag down to 540s. I'm adding on the way down here. Let's see if we get that lower fill. Let's see if we get that lower fill on this one. I'm just looking for a quick flag here and see if we get that high up to 572. If it drops a tiny bit more, I will add more on this one. You know, screw it. I'm going to add big share size, just whatever. Although it is a low volume one, so iffy, but if I get that retest here of 545, I'll still be in on this one. I think this one can rip up to 572 to just give me that 200 moving average touch. Super low volume here as well, so I'm looking for this thing to make another nice pop out of here. Volume kills me on this one. Volume kills me on this one. I see a lot of buyers on the tape, but the stock is not moving up. Okay, maybe a little bit there, maybe a little bit there. I'm not going to be an idiot either and just hold it, but I'm still looking for the bounce here and see if we can get that next leg up to 572. That's just a 200 moving average. We got really close to it. I don't think we tapped it, and I think this stock has been uptrending for the last couple of days. I think we can at least try to break it a little bit. Okay, let's see if this is the pop back up here. I know I need this stock to for sure move in my favor a little bit, because otherwise with slippage I'm going to be getting bad fills. I think we should have tried to go on there. Okay, a lot of buys there, a lot of buys. Come on, man. This stock is moving so slow, though. This is a perfect place I should be adding, though. So I'm in at the right place, I think so, for a winning trade. Even if this is a losing trade, I'm comfortable with the trade here. I just need to see a surge of buyers come in here. More sellers there. Oh, there's a lot of bids down there. There is a lot of bids at 550. That's a good thing. Now let's get the pop back up. It was looking good there for a second. I am still holding 7,500 shares, but I think I'm going to have to descale. It's not going. I'm selling a little bit. APPS is still going, but I'm still over here on the stupid stock, man. If you guys took APPS, good job. You know, even if it gives me another flash down, I might jump back in on this one, add a little more, but I don't know what else could I ask for. I literally don't know what else I could ask for on this stock. There's literally a wall there that's non-existent at 555 that we cannot break. Looking to see if it bounces off of 540. 540 is that pivot that I was looking at. No, this got really heavy. I have to cut it. Jesus Christ. Stupid stock. I hate this stock. APPS, $900 loss. Dang. APPS looking for $15 break. APPS, maybe it's flagging here to take a look at 15. Man, GRWG just absolute garbage stock, man. APPS, maybe we get a flag here to push back up, but potential DBHI, potential red to green. GRWG is one that flushed twice, but every time it just recovered it. Maybe this one here for a bounce of this 1470s area and maybe get 15, but I'm actually going to take a look at this one. The GRWG is recovering, isn't it? Look at GRWG. This is why this stock is so stupid. How do you do that? What? Oh well. Go back to which one was it? APPS. No, APPS still that pre-market high could still look good for support. 1440s area. We could have a double bottom here at 1450. CVNA also kind of a double top, triple top up top. 95 million float on APPS. That's a bit high. Thank you, CryptoWired. Take some position right now. Add more if it 391 breaks. Another big red day for EB trades. Today I am pretty big red, yeah. That first hit on GRWG already killed me. Well, not killed me, but you know, I even said it. I'm gonna take a bigger share size on this one. Maybe this is a tiny bounce on this one down here, but it's pulling pretty aggressively. At 1440 is the only one that I'm looking at. Sniper trades up on APPS. Good job, Sniper trades. Tesla gave it all back right under that 186. I tried taking a bounce there. I got a tiny bounce and got a little bit of profit there, but then ended up getting out of that one because it just rejected. But the same thing, you know, the level that I'm looking at was 180. Okay, I'm gonna probably add on APPS if I get a flush down here. You got it, Ape You got it. You got it. Well, I was going to add down here, but not after this tiny little pop there. This might run up a little bit and then give us that retest down here, but... And of course, the one I'm like, you know what, screw it, I'm going to jump in bigger share size. And then, boom, absolutely just flushes. Doesn't even give me a chance to get green trade. this is a wallflower kind of day. Crypto are saying. Water. You're $1,000 this week, Ape Trades. I think I might be barely up this week now. But that's okay. This is what happens. Sit back and watch everybody else lose money. Is that what you're saying? CryptoWire, sit back and watch Juan Trades lose some money. I would have taken that GRW trade any other day anyways. Maybe I was slightly in early again, but you know, I didn't take the big share size. I didn't add 10K until bottom, so I think I was in fine. I don't think I took a bad trade on GRWG. The only thing is, I knew the volume was low on this one. I knew this thing could just not decide to just not go and die. Look at this thing, it's still kind of forming a little pennant here on GRWG. I knew what could happen, but I still played it anyway. CVNA kind of trying to make a little run back up. CVNA trying back up to high of days. A little iffy here. VRU is flagging. VWB also just absolutely. VRU is okay. APPS is one that I'm interested on though. APPS making a nice move back up. Low volume though. This one is also easy to borrow, so I might be looking for some short trades on this one. Actually, I forgot I took a. Oh wait, no. I guess I'm up $100 on my winning trades, and then I'm up 900 on the losing trade. I'm in a long crypto, long run. Crypto will go high. Crypto absolutely died. FSRD, somebody calling out FSRD. How's everybody doing today? I'm already pretty decent red. FSRD, oh, it's a cheap stock, but it doesn't look bad. APPS is my attention right now. I think this one, you know, every time we've gotten a pop up, try to break high days, everything gets flushed. CVNA pushing, CVNA looking for that previous high that for it to break this triple top here. CVNA breaking this triple top here. Next level on this one could be 950. I don't see anything else. Let's see if this one actually wants to break out of here. No trade so far for Hanish. CVNA kind of a nice little bit of a push here. Let's see if we could just chase this small share size for a nice little bit. Retest here. And let's see if this one wants to continue to run a little bit. Just a quick little retest of that previous pivots there. Oh, I only jumped in 1,500 shares. I thought I jumped at 2,500 shares. Looking for the next leg out of this one. There's $100 profit, 130, 140. I'm looking for this break out of here. Do we get out of this double top here? I'm going to sell a little bit in case it doesn't. Stop at break even. There's that one there. I'm probably just going to stop out on this one. $75 there. It's okay-ish. I'm making burger money back. Today looks pretty trash in small caps. You know, CVNA doesn't look bad in APPS. I'm waiting to see if APPS wants to either break out or either wants to just fade, because I can short this one. Oh, actually, this one's trying to break a downtrend right here. APPS break a downtrend. Looking for a $15 break on this one. I'm looking for a $15 break on this one. Tiny share size here in case it wants to break out. There's a break. Looking for retest of $15, maybe 30 seconds left on this candle. Maybe this one wants to run a little bit more. Next daily level is at 1552, so I think we have some room on this one. Let's see if we get a nice pullback to 15 on this one, and we can probably chase this a little bit high. Dang it, I just had a couple of good shares there, and I let them all go. I only made 45 bucks. Let's see if we get the retest all the way down to 15, though. Easy to borrow. Maybe a lot of people are trying to short it too. Maybe a lot of people are getting burned on this one. Close high. That's an okay close. All the way back down to 15 maybe. I'm watching APPS on this curl back up. CVNA also closing that 5-minute candle pretty high, looking for that pullback at 911 on CVNA. It looks actually not bad as well. So APPS and CVNA right now top watches. CVNA I'm looking for pullback to 911, and then on APPS I want to close that candle high and then looking for the $15 dip. But CVNA right now is actually looking a little better. Look at CVNA. Look at this pullback on CVNA. If I get that 911 retest on CVNA, I will add on this one. I added on CVNA pullback here, looking for this break of this, all these flat tops here. Okay, so now $200 profit on CVNA. Okay, I'm making some money back, APPS still looking for this $15 retest down here. Let's see if we can get a nice little bit of a flush, get this 5-minute candle to close high, and then get that pullback down to 15. CVNA still could look okay. You know, if you get that full pullback down to 911, retest down here also looks good. GRWG, I don't even want to look at that stock. Forget about that stock. I'm not trading that stock. But CVNA 911, any dip down here to 911, and then APPS. APPS is already going again, but I was looking for a $15 retest. So now that makes my attention back more towards CVNA. That pullback to 911 maybe can get us another run. This one's pretty being down on the daily. We got room a little bit. We just got sold off not too long ago. Let's see if we can get that pullback down to 911, see how it pulls back. We do have a lot of flat tops up here, so I'm going to be careful just to see how it pulls back. We got 4 flat tops there. I'm lost right now. What are you trading? I'm trading stocks. CVNA, let's see if I get that wow, APPS, man. So the exact resistance that I see on APPS is 1546 on the daily. After that, I'm seeing 1573. So 1546 is right there. CVNA pulling back to this level down here. I missed that first entry on CVNA. CVNA, if you added 911 like I was saying, you're already in a 10-cent winner here. A lot of buyers stepping in on this one back again after that 911 touch. CVNA still looks pretty good. This looks like a nice 5-minute flag on this one. GRWG did break downtrend, reclaim VWAP, looking okay. APPS, you know, APPS 14% on SPY puts right after the open. Good job. SPY puts? How'd you make money on SPY puts? SPY's, well, actually, I can't see the small time frame, but good job, John. Good job, man. Risky trade, but MSGM. Okay, I have not looked at MSGM. Let me look at it real quick. DBGI looks like it failed, so I'm not looking at that one. MSGM, yeah, the low volume play there for Rome C. Right now, I really like CVNA and I really like APPS still. So CVNA, this if I get just another ad down here, I think we can come up and break this flat top up here. Carvana puts what date and strike? I'm not trading Carvana. APPS also, remember, we can short this stock, and this stock is kind of pushing up to 1550 right now. Look at NVTA. I think I had it on my side chart. NVTA making the curl back up. Pretty sold off after we hit 306 a couple times. Oh, CVNA is finally going. This is the bounce I was looking for on CVNA. If you took that 911 on CVNA, congrats. Blair got it. Blair got it. APPS, honestly, to me, is looking more like a short just for a nice pop down. But I'm gonna look for this one for the big short on this one. So I'll let it do what it wants to do, and then I'll short it. MAC is back up to 12. Tried getting back over 12. Yeah, you can see how 12 is pretty strong. You know, today was a pretty bad red trade on GRWG, but it looks like I've made pretty good amount back. Probably not half of it, but I lost 900 there. Made back almost 300 on this one. Made back 70 on this one. Made back another couple on Tesla. APPS, I am so tempted to short this one. Oso Polar, what did we short APPS? Where you at, Oso? You gotta be in here somewhere. Oh, he's typing. Maybe $9 on CVNA. If it doesn't break that 4 top, like if it broke it but gets back under it, a little iffy. Mac also is actually sitting short on Mac. Waiting for the rug pull. Yes, the broker is TD Ameritrade. Thank you, JD. I'm still just sitting right now. Andrew Cole just had a nice rip. What about open? Like the stock open? Actually, it doesn't look bad, but iffy volume here. Not the best volume. I don't know if this is a stock that can rip up out of here. So, APPS, you know, I still like this one. Hassan is green on the day. Cesar Sophie still doing a lot of 500 shares. That's okay. Also is short on Mac, so after losing that $12, I think maybe that one will fade. APPS is one that I'm trying to go. This is kind of giving me GFI vibes, you know, where it's like everybody's like, oh yeah, this is a short, and then just grinds, and takes all the shorts out. Maybe it is because it's just easy to borrow, and that's happening. Maybe. $15.73 looks good to short. That next spike. So one spike was 1540, and then the next spike is 1570s. Right here, 72, and then the next spike is 1670s. You know, but I don't want to fight this thing. This is literally giving me GFI vibes. Also, Polar, which level 2 do you use again? There's that 1572 daily level there. Then again, 15. That 1542, 1546 is a daily level as well. So let's see. You know, this is daily. This is daily. Let's see if we flag here, go up and rip that one, or end up ripping that one and flag here. Level 2 interactive brokers. Okay. I didn't know if you used Bookmap. I think I asked you that question before already, but. Oh my gosh, I'm only down 500 today. I started off like negative a grand. If you short, do you pay the fee if you cover the same day? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how the shorting works on Thinkorswim. I have not seen any fees. GRWG can suck it. I'm not trading that one. This one's the one that looks good. Folks in the UK, what's the best level 2 available? I don't know. I guess interactive brokers, Dash Trader, maybe you can use outside platform. Maybe any of those two. And then again, you have the other brokers, which I don't know if you can open outside or not. Lightspeed has a decent level 2. Apps is kind of flagging, and honestly, I don't mind this one for long. It's literally giving me GFI kind of vibes. That 1546 is also daily level. On this one, 1546 right there, 1546, a lot of resistance there, and 1550 as well there, $0.50. It is pretty extended, but it's literally doing what GFI was doing. It's giving me the same type of vibes. You made back 200. Good job, Babe Trades. Way to hang in there, man. Way to hang in there. Wow, big old flush there. But it literally is doing the same thing GFI did. It flushed, and then it literally retraced it all. It's exactly the same thing GFI did. Dang it, got stopped out there. I was in another $200 winner there. CVNA is still pushing. Blair, do you have any runners from that 911? That 911 ad, do you have any runners from that one? I still know I can short this one. I don't know where the short would be though. But this one I was up $68 and now I'm at 100, so I made an extra 50 on that trade. Franco heading out. Did you do good today, Franco? I think if I get this third touch here on this one, you know, there's kind of a trend line here. If I get a touchdown here on this one, I might add back in. Trader Johnson, maybe I don't understand how this works. Over 150 people watching and only 42 likes. Why? Thank you, Trader John. If you guys are watching on YouTube, please hit the like button for me, guys. I stream completely free. You guys just all I ask for in return is a like button that you click it. So thank you guys for doing that. I think it also counts my Tradecaster people. So there's like 50 there. So there should be 100 people watching on YouTube solely. But still, CVNA is still pushing. This one, apps. You know, I said 1550s and it's pushing again. This one might want to break out into a new high. Let's see it. Look at all that time in sales there. Oh, that was a lot of time in sales and didn't break out. Tesla back up to that 186.7 level. This one's extended still on the 5, so maybe it's just cooling off a little bit, but you know, I'm not surprised if this one keeps running. I would not be surprised. How long has he been streaming for this session alone? Since 8:15, so it's been 45 minutes. Space Ninja, man, thank you. Another donation, Space Ninja, man, thank you. Hey, I think I saw one of your comments on my YouTube video yesterday, and I replied to it. I think that was you. So Space Ninja, if you have any questions, man, if you have any questions at all, let me know, and I'll get you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. This definitely helps my red day today. Everybody say thanks to Space Ninja. Thank you to Space Ninja on YouTube and on Tradecaster. I don't like losing 1550 here on apps. Space Ninja, no, you're awesome, man. You're awesome, man. Mac back over 12. Oh, I see it. 1202, 1210 now. I'm still keeping an eye on apps, though. Helping me make money. Got to return the favor. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hopefully you're killing it. Hopefully you're killing it. And like I always say, any questions, you guys let me know. Another nice bounce on CVNA. CVNA, I keep watching it, but it looks extended to me as well. Apps, you know, at least I got a 5-minute candle on the 5-minute time frame. CVNA's got 3 green candles in a row. So on apps, I'm looking for this pullback here. See if I get this trendline touch and see if we can rip out of that 1572. The only thing on this one is 200 moving average is so extended, but here's another little pop on apps. Apps going back up for that 1572. Is this time to short? Is it time to short this one? This pop right here has really low volume. The 5 is so extended. Do we get a new high and flush? I really am tempted to short. I knew this thing could go long, man. Perfect flag on CVNA. I'm telling you, GFI is literally the same thing. GFI is literally the same thing as this thing. 1572 retest, and I'm long on this one. This one just wants to open up. It's about to hit $16. This is literally doing GFI things. Exactly the same thing. It's gonna hit $16. Gonna hit $16. Let's see if we get a pullback. Let's see if we can chase this to $16. Volume increase. Shorts are covering here, so I don't think this one's done going long. You know, I feel like a noob now that I'm trying to go both ways, but I want to catch a dip on this one and see if we get $16, but I think this one just wants to go straight away as well. Look at this, it's going to squeeze and go up to $16. Are you serious? Now that I'm going long, it's not going to squeeze? Oh, there it is. A lot of volume there towards the end. I think it's going to hit 16, sorry. 15.95 break. We could get $16. There it is. 15.99. Haven't broken 16. Do we get a blow off after 16? Do we get a blow after 16? Covering more shorts. Do we get a blowout of 16? There's 16. 100. There's a blowout of 16. Have 500 shares left still. Maybe that's when I should have shorted up there. That last little bit of a push, that last little bit of a blow. Space Ninja, again, thank you so much, Space Ninja. Thank you, appreciate it so much. So I really gave 20 bucks back because I was up 68 on this one. Now I'm up 45. Easy Money said, I think short at $16 on apps. Did you short at $16, Easy Money? Don't do it like that. Did you short at $16? I think this one is probably a short now. Let's see if we get a nice little pop again and then re-short it back down to 1572. I think the push back to 1572 is possible. I mean the pull back to 1572, sorry. I'm just scalping this one, you know what? That's not the way to do it actually. You know, if I want to go short, I need to go short and find the good trade, not just scalp it. I don't know what I'm doing. At least I'm catching myself, but look at this thing, back up to $16, squeezing more shorts again. This thing's just absolutely squeezing shorts. It's literally GFI 2.0. I've been saying it all day, GFI 2.0. It's not really giving you clean breakouts, but you can see the stock is pretty strong. So I'm gonna try to get another nice trade here through high of day past $16. Let's see if we can get another nice add. 15 seconds left here, holding pretty good. Now you're gonna flush, bro. That's what I thought. You're strong all day long. You've been strong all day long. You've literally been strong all day long. Come on, get another nice squeeze through 16. Surprise! Back up to 16. I don't want to take profits yet, but it's stalling out, so I'm going to take some out there. 1587 is my break even now, so I'm going to... Okay, I'm out of that. What the heck? Oh wow, GRWG back up to high of days. What is that candle there? You know, I am not trading good today. I don't feel it. That red candle with big volume is telling you might be over. on apps, and I could still short this thing. To Mimi, do you short it all? Subscribe Karma? What is that? But, the thing is, I'm literally having GFI thoughts on this one, and that's why, it's the same kind of setup. Yesterday, this is GFI yesterday. Look at the 5 minutes, you get that very nice push, and you had so many green candles in a row, and that's what, like, shorts were like, okay, easy to borrow short, let's short it. And then GFI literally went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green red candles in a row. And, that was a pretty good move. And so as soon as I saw this one moving up today, to me, they're moving very similar. They're stacking bids, getting stronger. Every time it dips, it just gets bought up and puts that next leg up. Here, 1572 is my next level. That's a daily level as well. So let's see if we can get an ad down at 1572. Oh, gosh, my ear. GRWG, the 200 moving average is at 572, yes. Somebody I know I can't trust. I'm just frustrated now. Now I'm just frustrated. I felt like I was just off all day long today. You can't short even if you wanna. Now to me this one looks short. It's broken that big trend line on the day, so technically if I got a nice push up on this one, VRU is flying. Oh, VRU. Dang, I hadn't even looked at VRU this whole time. I didn't realize how big of a gap down that thing had. Apps, I think the big trend line on the day has cracked. I think this one's got room lower. So let's, the last thing is let's see if we get a nice final attempt to push up to a new high of day and then maybe short this thing. This should be the first short that I really would have taken all day long here on the push back up. Trying to squeeze after we broken the big trend line on the day. This should be the first short I should have taken probably. If this absolutely squeezes all the way back up, bro, I'm literally going to turn off my computer and call it. There's no way, bro. This is a retest of trend line from the backside, the biggest trend line on the day, uptrend. I think shorts are going to be in here. Try to get this low. I need a fade down now, otherwise I will be looking at a pretty decent red day. Volume is low on this pushback up. Oh my god, bro. Frustration kicking in here. You guys are seeing it. Oh, fall through the downside. I might have to cut this one here. Wow, and then CVNA absolutely flying. CVNA, I could look for that 968 retest actually on CVNA. CVNA, maybe one last flag here at 968. CVNA, I'm looking for this pullback here. Oh, come on. As soon as buyers came in, I hit the buy button and I got filled high. Unfortunate there. That was actually really unfortunate there. So I got a high fill, but... And then APPS going back up to new high of day. Wow. APPS, I might just chase this for a high of day. If I get a close here, bounce of $16. Oh, I missed it. That candle took forever to spawn. I am literally scalping everything today. I am not finding the big moves. CVNA, a little bit of a 5-minute flag up here. 968 is my pivot that I would be looking for. CVNA looking a little heavy now. I had another good ad there. I was up another $100. And then as soon as anything spikes on this one, it starts going red. But 968 is a pivot and kind of pulling back low volume. So I think this one can flag one more time and get a next leg up, hopefully. I'm looking for the break of this downtrend here, and I want to see if CVNA can go back up to high a day. If we get the break out of this flag here. No, another tiny little push there and getting stuffed. I'm going to cut that trade to see if I get a lower ad. Yeah, I need coffee. No, I need some good trades. That's what I need. I think today I traded okay, traded bad, but I think the problem is still some of these stocks are moving with pretty low volume. They're not actually ripping. They're ripping, but like iffy, you know? It's not like boom, 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 boom. And I think that's whenever you get that nice squeeze and then you get the pullback, that's the ones that you really feel comfortable in. But I mean, stocks uptrending today. I mean, APPS uptrending. We got GRWG hitting highs. We got CVNA hitting highs, uptrending still. There was absolutely no reason for me to be red today. I really think that I shouldn't have been red today. And I think my problem was, well, not even that. I was going to say, some of these things are pretty overextended, and I thought it was the time to short APPS. Again, got burned on the short side. CVNA, you know, this thing is making clean pivots here, all of this, and then again here. This is third flag, so we gotta be careful now. Yeah, I think that was my problem too, Chicago. I think I traded this one, and then I bounced to the other one, and then I bounced to GRWG, took a loss, and then I went to APPS, and then I came back to CVNA. And then honestly, on I did the same thing. I didn't learn from yesterday. Now this thing is gonna go. I did the same thing as yesterday. APPS. Wait, which one were you saying? Zach said if you draw the trend line, are you talking about maybe here, like the wick exactly? Oh, I had it at the candles. Dang it. So now it's a short or what? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I did lose a little more, so I might be down $1,000 now. Literally get back Mondays. But that's okay though, because I do think I definitely pushed share size today a little more again on that first trade, GRWG. You know, unfortunate that that happened, but hopefully Monday, yeah, I'm just $1,000 red now. Dang it. Apps, is this a short now, dude? Like, holy crap. Is this thing actually gonna keep squeezing highs after highs after highs? Look, it's going for it again. Wow, this is ridiculous. Has anybody else been trying to short this one from Thinkorswim? What's up, Israel? GRWG finally fading, dude. And this is the one that was easy to borrow as well, and we were looking at 572 all day long. Dang it. That upsets me even more. That I won at 572 short all day long on this one. And also, Bilal, you do have the patience of a short because I should have been waiting to short this thing, but I know I shouldn't have shorted it yet. TGTX 5-minute flag. No iffy there. It's because all the newbie shorts like you and me, bro. Both of us, we don't know what we're doing. We're just getting burned. I think I have a scratch week now. Well, actually, it's up tomorrow, but I'm not home. I'm barely up this week, $300. Also, do you ever chase these pullbacks like this? To Mimi. Never, never chase. Like to me right here, if this was to bounce tiny bit here, you know, it's already broken the uptrend. I think if it bounced here, I would short it down again, but that's all I was asking. Yeah, I did, but I got burned on it again. Well, actually, I got burned on that and got burned just on regular trading today. I didn't trade good. Sorry for being late to the party. I've been bedridden with COVID. I'm pretty sick too. I don't know what I got, but I've been feeling sick the last day or two, and then today. I see it, Blair. I see it on my side. But oh well. I'm just tired of this, man. And it's not even bad market. Today should have been a green day. 100% should have been a green day. I should have not lost money today. Or I should have just not lost as much as I did, for sure. Chicago said shorted. Oh, paper. Oh, that's still good, man. You still shorted the top? Good job, good job. See, like, this was a clean 5-minute flag down here. Why was I not in it? And then here again, that 1546, I said daily level. Why was I not in it? 1572, I said daily level. Why was I not in it? I literally said those three pivots before the market even opened. I said 1546 and I said 1572. Why the frick was I not in those? That's what I don't want to get. And I'm red 500 on this ticker. GRWG, I mean, yeah, I lost 900 on this one. Oh well. But, you know, where was this loss? Here. That's a good loss, I think. And I stopped that right there instead of way down here. So I think this was a good loss. Apps, I have no reason why to be red on this thing. That's a clean flag. That's a clean daily pivot flag. And that's a clean daily pivot flag. And then finally, like one touch. And this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, not a new high. There's a short. You know, this one's one rips. 1, 2, 3, boom. Oh, you're in short, Ape Trades? Ape Trades is shorting. Trader Joe, that sucks. I hope you feel better. Yeah, I hope you feel better, Samuel. Ape Trades shorted at 1607. What the heck? He literally top ticked it almost. I think I'm done trading. I'm done doing damage, guys. So I definitely a bad day today for me. But here's the transparency, guys. Here's the transparency. 1,000 shares, 100 shares, 100,000 shares traded, $1,000 loss. That literally cancels out Monday. Gosh dang it. Oh God. Mike Blanco, congrats on a break-even day, man. Congrats. No, I lost a grand today. Yeah, I'm calling it a day. I'm done trading. Slurp, slurp. Slurp, slurp. I gotta go pack and get a bunch of things ready. I really am upset with today's performance. Not the P&L, the performance. So, no way apps goes back to 1607, bro. I don't know. If you're a short trader, I literally hear people say just place it and forget it. Put a stop at break even, close your Thinkorswim ape trades, and come back at 2 p.m. today and look at it. You might. Dude, I did that yesterday on GFI. Actually, GFI came back to a high today. Look, the same thing freaking apps is doing. I shorted GFI here. I covered there, and then I put a stop. I think it was about like 11 something, 11:04, and I forgot about it, and I just kept pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, and then I think it came back and stopped me out here or there. But I think that was a good stop because it ended up coming back up. And today it came back up today again. But alright, I think I'm gonna call it, guys. I'm not feeling too good. I'm sick. Didn't trade good. I'm not gonna trade anything else. I got a lot of stuff to do. Sorry for heading out a little early, and then sorry for not gonna be able to come trade tomorrow. Just giving you guys a heads up again. I know one of you guys are gonna show up tomorrow and be like, "Is he not trading today?" So if that's you, I'm gonna call you out. So traded bad today. The reality of trading. I'm glad I have some big wins early on. It just every time I take a loss, it's never putting me in the right. It's always okay. I just canceled yesterday. I just canceled 2 days ago. I just canceled Monday. So I just canceled Monday today. I'm still green this week, and I'm still green in the month. But so far, it's been a way slower month than September for me, P&L wise. In September, the market was absolutely dead. But I guess at this pace, at this point, I kind of just want to finish the year, and then really just just absolutely go crazy with share size, because I am tired of this. $500, $300, $500, $1,000. I could lose $1,000 today and still be okay. Um, and so I'm gonna step it up. I need to step it up. It's either we make it doing this, either we make it and really make life changing like millions of dollars. Just kidding, I don't think we're gonna make millions, but like 50K a day, 20K a day, 10K a day, or we don't make it. But I'm not gonna sit here and make 300 bucks for the rest of my life. So I really need to push it, and hopefully I'm gonna hold you guys accountable. I'm gonna hold you guys hold me accountable. Trading is not easy. Oh my god, I forgot about TikTok chat this whole time. Not a lot of people are chatting there over there. Oh yeah, there is. Platform I use is Thinkorswim. You shorted CVNA. Good job, whoever shorted CVNA. Let me look at CVNA, see if there was a clean entry short on this one. I don't know what I would have shorted this thing. Maybe there, but I'm drawing that line after the stock happened, so I know I can easily pick it out. Apps I'm still holding from 50-51 with a stop at break even. You know what? I don't even know what I want to do, because if it goes up, Sniper Trade makes money. If it goes down, Ape Trades makes money. So keep a positive mindset. But yeah, Samuel, yeah. You guys enjoy your weekend, guys. Big facts, bro. Feel better. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you, Alexander. Ella finishing the day with a winning short 2 days in a row in 1603 out of 57.2. Hope you feel better. May the best man win. How about you both guys win? Platform is Think or Swim. Think or Swim. Yo, man, just took a fat dump. What the heck? Oh, man. Alright, guys. I'm going to enjoy my weekend. I have tomorrow off. I might trade off my laptop. I may not, but if I do, it's going to be small share size. And if I see something clear, because otherwise I'm not going to risk it. But I'll keep you guys updated. As far as Monday, I think I should be back. I might just be extremely tired, but I should be back on Monday. I'm watching apps, but I gotta do stuff, man, and I'm not feeling good right now. I mean, I'm seeing it right now. Let me see. This is literally curling back up to new high of days. This is ridiculous. Ape trade's about to get stopped out. Sniper trade's about to get a new high. I'm about to chase this for a new high. Just see if I get a few more bucks here. Get under $1,000. I'm not chasing this until the candle's close to closing. 30 seconds left on this candle. $16 is trying to hold right there. If I just get it close above 16, retest of 16, I might take the trade for a new high of day, and that'll be my last trade. Look at all the buys, man. This actually is going to close high. I'm thinking we get a new high of day here. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, my ears, man. Holy shite, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. I just jumped in with 1,500 shares. I think I just made back 300 bucks here. Well, that actually helped a little bit. Holy crap. I mean, when I see this, I knew shorts were piling here. Ape trades. So when you start getting that move, now Ape trades understands, if shorts are there and we're going long, they're going to have to cover. And that's exactly what happens. Everybody that was short here just had to cover right there. There's a psychology of trading, guys. This is why I always chase these moves here. When you see those shorts there. Tyler said I knew you weren't done, bro. I've seen him, Samuel, yeah. Now you're back. I think I'm going to end with this trade for sure. But I have 300 shares. I'm going to keep my stop here. And I'm actually just going to leave these shares here. I want to see if this thing actually ends up opening $17, $18, whatever. So I'm going to leave 300 shares open. But I'm definitely going to call it there. I was down on this stock today. Oh, well, okay, so it stopped me out. So let me just import my trades. I was looking to make 50 bucks to get back under 1,000, and I just made like 250 bucks. So that definitely helps. Good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, Sniper Trades. Oh, maybe I didn't make as much. I'm down 840. 1020. Yeah, it was 200 bucks. Oh, that helps a little bit. Alright guys, now I for sure am done. You guys can keep trading the stock if it keeps opening up, but I am done. I don't want to do this anymore today. You guys take care. Again, I will not be streaming tomorrow. I will see you guys most likely on Monday. If for some reason I can't, I will keep you guys updated and I will let you guys know. But other than that, guys, you guys have a good one. You guys take care. Hopefully you guys can make some money tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys can kill it. And I will see you guys on Monday. So y'all have a good rest of your day. Space Ninja, thank you, man. Thank you again for that tip donation. So I appreciate it. I don't even know if I'm gonna make a recap, but if I don't, hopefully I can make it next week or something like that. But I got a lot of stuff to cover right now. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Good job, Sniper Trades, with $1,200 on the day. Like always, if you guys are still trading, hop on the Discord. You guys have a good rest of your day. Can't even talk now.